So how can you download Audible books on your iPad? Let's get into it. Now, first of all, make sure you have the Audible app installed on your iPad. And now there are some versions of the app, like the Audible is of course from Amazon, so you can get the Audible German version or depending on your country, right? So you just get the Audible app and there you need to sign in to your Amazon/Audible account. So you just type in your email, password, and you will get inside of your account. Now, there are more options as well. You can subscribe to pay a monthly subscription to Audible, which will grant you 1 credit. This credit can be used to purchase any book. Or the other option is not having any subscription and purchasing books like the audiobooks directly through, by paying actual money for it and not credits. So these are the options. If you ask me, it's more affordable and makes more sense to use the subscription as it's like cheaper and every book costs the same credit. But essentially, you need to purchase the book. And once you do have it, then it will appear in your library, right? So part of the app, you also have the library right there. And you can see which books you have purchased in the past or which one you already own. And you can tap on this to initiate the download process. But the download process is just for the offline use. And so you can start listening to the audiobook. So when it comes to the payment and like buying the books, as I said, you have these two options. And in terms of saving the book for offline use, you need to click on the actual book in your library to initiate the download process. But that's it from me. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do what you wanted. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will catch you later in the future. Of course, if you do subscribe, so make sure you do that, and I will catch you later.